Hey babes, good morning. It is currently 10:46. It is a Saturday and I figured this would be a really good day to kind of just film a vlog of things that I do when I'm alone and just kind of learning and loving how to be alone and by yourself. So I wanted to take that opportunity to kind of just hang out with you guys and show you what I do when I am alone, how I kind of just spend my days by myself and love to be my own company, because even though I've expressed to you guys I do struggle with anxiety, I'd say that's one thing my anxiety does not affect is being alone. If anything, I'm more of an avoidant anxiety person, so it kind of comes in my favor sometimes because I kind of just get to not isolate in a bad way, but I really do like my reset time by myself. So I'm really going to use this morning to have some really good habits. You guys know I've been meal prepping and eating well lately and really on my gym game, so I'm going to finish my little thing of greens, get the Celsius in my body, have a little bit of oatmeal, and then I'm going to get dressed and go to the gym. Even though it is a Saturday, I wanted to normally wake up a little bit earlier, but this is a pretty realistic weekend for me, so I didn't want to wake up too early just to film because I really did need some sleep. I had a hard time sleeping this week. I had a rough week and I definitely needed to sleep in just a little bit, so I woke up like right at 10 and I've kind of just been having a slow morning getting ready, but we're here for it. So I'm going to get a little bit of food in my body, and then when I see you guys next, I'm going to be getting dressed for the gym. Okay guys, I'm finally heading to the gym and I'm actually on my phone right now because I wanted my vlog camera to charge while I am gone. I don't know what the sun is doing to my face right now. I'm looking orange. I promise I'm not orange. I don't know why the sun's making me look like that. I thought it was gonna be so cold out today, and then I got in my car and it's beautiful, so I just went on my little fancy like app on my phone and turned my heat off because I have my heat on before I left. They're so cute, and I just have a little sparkly one up there. I'm back and I just got done. I did like a whole 25 minutes of cardio and a Pilates. Love that. So I'm gonna actually go to the grocery store really quick. I'm supposed to have a package in the mail from my boyfriend, but the mail just got here, so I don't want to check it while he's like putting the packages in there because it's really awkward. So I'm gonna run to the grocery store. I just need some fruit because I need stuff for my smoothie. Okay, I'm back home and I'm just gonna give you guys like a little mini grocery haul. I just got some chicken tenderloins from Hy-Vee, and then I got some sandwich thins. These are gas. I love them. They're perfect. And for someone who lives alone, I just like cannot get a huge loaf of bread and actually eat it all in 1 week. Like, it just is impossible for me. It's not happening. I also got 2 more Celsius from Hy-Vee because I've never had these flavors before. They had a mango passion fruit. Never had it. If you've had it, let me know in the comments how it is. And then strawberry guava. I also got some strawberries. These are little package of strawberries I got, and then just some more spinach because I'm almost out, and I have been loving my chicken salads lately with my spinach. So, but I'm actually gonna make my smoothie really quick, and I need to upload my thrift haul. I wanted to upload it at 1 exactly, but it's 107 right now, 108 actually, and I also need to do dishes, pick up a little bit. So yeah, but I'm not like stressing or anything. Like I said, this whole vlog's about like what I do on a Saturday. Yeah, I'm just enjoying my time alone. The sun is out. I've got some Jersey Shore on in the background, so it's a good Saturday. Okay, babes, so I have showered and pretty much got the majority of my little to-do list around my apartment done. I just need to put my laundry up, which you guys are gonna see me do. So I did not leave you out on that, but I'm just gonna film a really quick like YouTube short. I really love making my shorts. I feel like it gets me a lot of traffic and views and just reach followers, or not followers, but subscribers that normally I probably wouldn't get if I wasn't making a short. So I love that. So I'm gonna make a short really quick, and I just wanted to check in. So I don't know what it really is about today, but you guys know I really like being transparent with you, and even though yes, I love spending time alone, sometimes I do just get kind of anxious for no reason. I mean, that's kind of part of having anxiety. So hold on, my mom just texted me. Okay, anyways, but I think I just get a little bit of anxiety just for no reason, and I really have been enjoying my day by myself. I just think I needed to do something to make myself feel better, so I'm gonna do my makeup, and it is currently 4 o'clock exactly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 4 o'clock exactly. I think I just, like I said, need to do my makeup and get food in my system, some like genuine food. I've had like smoothies and snacks and a couple other things all morning, and I don't think I realized what time it was. So I will see you guys in just just a second when my makeup's done. Okay, my makeup is all done, and now I just have some little, I call these like pizza bagels, but they're just on sandwich thins. But I have these little pizzas I'm gonna eat while I upload and edit this YouTube short I just made. Okay, so I just ate my little pizza thing. I uploaded my YouTube short. I need to get ready to go to my mom's. I don't know why I'm slacking for so long. Oh my gosh, I'm just having like that midday, like feel sorry for myself for no reason mood. I don't know. I'm gonna make a little coffee. I think that's the answer to everything is more caffeine. Just all a mess. Let's get our OG Starbucks little cold cup rocking today. Okay, you guys know, if you're not new here, then you know I always take those little homemade coffee. They're not homemade, but it's just coffee from my clubhouse. Ooh. At my apartment complex. And I will just pour it into a little cup of ice. And I have 2 of them because I kept thinking I didn't already have one. So that's lovely. I'm probably going to use, not all of 2, but yeah, sometimes you gotta give them a little shaky shake. Gosh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay, yay amount of coffee. And then I'm gonna take some Starbucks white chocolate creamer. This stuff is awesome. Do a little 1, 2 to the 3. And then some coconut milk. Give it a little lid. Absolutely not better than Starbucks. Not even close, but she will do for today. Cheers. Okay, so here's what I need to do. I am taking 2 picture frames to my parents' house with some spray paint because I need to spray paint them. So here's picture frame number 1 in the question. I love the photo. It's like that Prada desert picture, but the frame is trifling. So we are going to spray paint it with this spray paint. And this same spray paint is the same, let's see, the same white color that's on this table, and it's like a chalky finish and it looks wonderful. So I'm gonna get changed and I am going to take you guys with me. It's officially like light jacket weather. I say that and watch, it's gonna snow next week, but right now I can just wear a light jacket and not be freezing, so we love that. Okay, I need to go. I'm wasting so much time. Hello, it's almost 8 o'clock and I'm sorry I did not really film me spray painting or anything. My parents' backyard just really isn't anything super crazy or aesthetic, so I really didn't want to film it, and I honestly just kind of wanted to appreciate and chillax with my parents. I'm back home now and I'm kind of just relaxing for the night. I do need to eat dinner. So I did not go to Chick-fil-A to get Chick-fil-A for dinner, but what I did do was I went to Chick-fil-A and got a chicken, just like plain filet, nothing, no buns or anything. And I'm gonna cut this up and put it in my salad. So I was like craving fried chicken or just like something fried. So instead of getting a whole sandwich from Chick-fil-A and it being like 700 calories, little 400 calorie filet, cut it up and then put it in a salad. Yum. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also need to make a late night Walmart run. Something, this is just weird and random about me, but honestly something that I love doing now that I live on my own is just being able to leave. If I need to go to the grocery store kind of late, and I kind of like going at night just because it's like nobody's there, so I like running my errands sometimes at night on the weekends, just to, I don't know, make it spice up my weekend. I don't know. My makeup is like melting off my face and my eyes are like really dry. My allergies are really bothering me today, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make my little salad, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. If you have not ever tried the Lighthouse Jalapeno Ranch, 10 out of 10 recommend. So I just put all the chicken in the little salad. I have like 4 big scoops of spinach in there, obviously with a whole fillet of chicken. And I'm feeling extra spicy, so I'm gonna put some Red Hot Frank's sauce on there. Do not knock it till you try it. If you're ever craving, like, I don't know, this isn't obviously like a cure to buffalo wings, but if you are watching what you're eating calorie-wise and you need to spice something up, like a low-calorie ranch, which that jalapeno ranch isn't particularly low-calorie, but I honestly have not ate that much today. But any type of ranch with the Red Hot in it, perfect. I mean, it's literally 0 calories, so love it. I also have decided that I'm gonna reward myself and drink a little Sprite. I don't really ever crave soda, but I do crave carbonation just because I really like carbonated energy drinks. So sometimes a good little Sprite just hits different. I used to drink, like, you know those little mini cans of Sprite? Those always remind me of when I was a kid and I'd get really bad stomach aches because I always got stomach aches when I was a kid. My mom would give me little Sprites and like bread or Sprites and crackers, and so it kind of just brings me back. Part of giving myself a little bit of a calming effect. Like I said earlier, I had anxiety. I think I feel a lot better now since I went and saw my parents and got to see them and visit with them, but yeah. So I'm gonna eat my little salad for my dinner with my chicken and drink my little Sprite and relax. And I think I wanna watch Wedding Crashers because I just love that movie. That's what I'm gonna do. So you guys should get your dinner, make something nice and yummy, and sit down and watch a movie and treat yourself.